Hello kids, welcome to the science class. Today in science class we are going to learn a new topic which is about plants, a source of food. Children, all living things need food to grow and to be healthy and stronger. We get energy from the food to work and play. Children, where do we get the food? Yes, we get food from plants. Plants gives us various types of food like fruits, vegetables, pulses and grains. We also get spices, sugar, tea, coffee and oil from plants. Let us learn about vegetables and fruits. Plants gives us vegetables. We eat different parts of plants like root, stem, leaves, flowers and fruits as vegetables. We eat fruits as vegetables. Example, carrot. Carrot have roots. Carrot orange in color. Carrot is the favorite food of bunny. Bunny means rabbit. Carrot we eat as raw in salads. Carrot is a healthy vegetable. Healthy food. Turnip. Turnip have roots. Turnip eaten raw in salads with leaves. Radish. Radish grown underground root vegetable. Radish white in color. Radish eaten raw as salad. Beetroot. Beetroot a root vegetable. Beetroot round in shape. Beetroot red in color. Beetroot very healthy to eat. We eat stem as vegetables. Example, potato. Potato grow underground. Potato brown in color. Garlic. Garlic grow underground. Garlic have white bulbs which are covered by a thin skin. Ginger. Ginger grow underground. Ginger tangy in taste. Ginger have a strong flavor. Onion. Onion come in various shapes and colors. Onion white, brown or red in colors. Onion have a very strong smell. Onion we eaten raw in salads and also cooked as vegetable. We eat leaves as vegetables. Example, cabbage. Cabbage a leafy garden vegetable. Cabbage covered in layers. Cabbage green or purple in color. Cabbage round in shape. Cabbage eaten as salad in vegetables. Lettuce. Lettuce a salad vegetable. Lettuce green in color. It has large leaves. Lettuce eaten raw in salads and in sandwiches. Spinach. Spinach, a garden vegetable. Spinach leafy and green in color. Spinach eaten raw in salads and also cooked and eaten. Fenugreek. Fenugreek green in color. Mint. Mint green in color. Mint can be eaten raw in salads. Coriander. Coriander green in color. We eat flowers as vegetables. Example, broccoli. Broccoli green in color. Broccoli have a thick cluster of flower buds and that form heads. Broccoli eaten in salads. Cauliflower. Cauliflower, a garden vegetable. Cauliflower white in color. Cauliflower surrounded by lots of green leaves. We eat fruits as vegetable. Example, tomato. Tomato red in color. Tomato have many seeds. Tomato eaten raw in salads. We can prepare a meat tomato soup and tomato sauce. Eggplant. Eggplant also known as brinjal. Eggplant purple or green in color. Eggplant cooked as a vegetable. Cucumber. Cucumber common garden vegetable. Cucumber have green, dark green or white skin. Cucumber a cool vegetable. Cucumber eaten raw in salads or cooked as vegetable. Pumpkin. Pumpkin very large in size. Pumpkin yellow, green or white in color. Pumpkin cooked as vegetable. Capsicum. Capsicum green, red or yellow in color. Capsicum belong to chili family. Capsicum eat raw in salads. Chili. Chili hot and spicy in taste. Chili red or green in color. French bean. Bean green in color. Bean long and thin in shape. We eat salads raw in salads. Lady's finger. Lady finger green in color. Shape of a finger. It is shape of a finger. Lady finger sticky when you cut. Lady finger cooked as vegetable. Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd green in color. Bitter gourd very bitter in taste. It cooked as vegetable. Bitter gourd also used as medicinal juice.